Thank you for joining us on how to half double crochet for beginners. For this tutorial, we're going to use Mary Maxim's Best Value yarn in the color Mocha and a 5.5mm hook. If you haven't had a chance to check out our video on how to make a beginning chain, it's a great time to pause this video and take a look. The link is in the description of this video. We're going to start by chaining 11. It's for 9 stitches and 2 for the first half double crochet. You're going to yarn over and insert your hook into the 3rd chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull the yarn through. Then yarn over and pull the yarn through all 3 loops on the hook. Let's try a few more. Work 2 chains plus the 9 stitches for a total of 10 stitches to the end of the row, then turn. Chain 2 and work into the next stitch. Notice we did not work into the same stitch like we would do with a single crochet. Finally, don't forget to work into the chains that began this row. Let's count our stitches. We have 9 stitches and 2 chains on each row, making for a total of 10. Let's take a look at a bigger swatch. Take a look at these well-defined half double crochet stitches and the texture that they create. This is a more dense fabric. This fabric is more dense than the double crochet, but not as dense as the single crochet. Make sure to check out our blog post on how to half double crochet. You can find the link in the description of this video. Thank you for joining us on how to half double crochet. Make sure to follow us on all of our social media profiles, and happy crafting!